Today, we are going to learn about the organization of the human body. Just like a building, the human body is made up of many different parts that work together to create a functioning whole. In fact, we can think of the human body as being organized into different levels, just like a building has many floors. At the highest level, the human body is made up of systems. These systems are groups of organs and tissues that work together to perform a specific function. For example, the respiratory system is made up of the lungs, trachea, and other structures that work together to help us breathe. Just like a building has many floors, each system in the human body can be thought of as a floor of the building. On each floor, there are many different rooms, each with a specific purpose. In the human body, these rooms are the organs. The respiratory system, for example, has several organs, including the lungs and trachea, that work together to help us breathe. But just like a room in a building is made up of walls, an organ in the human body is made up of tissues. These tissues are groups of cells that work together to perform a specific function. For example, the lungs are made up of many different types of tissues, including alveolar tissue, bronchial tissue, and blood vessels, that all work together to help us breathe. Finally, just like a wall in a room is made up of bricks, the tissues in an organ are made up of cells. These cells are the basic building blocks of the body, and they work together to create all of the tissues, organs, and systems that make up the human body. Just as bricks come together to form walls, and walls come together to create rooms, and ultimately a building, the same cells group together to form tissues, which then work together to create organs, and organ systems, eventually forming the complex structure that is the human body. By understanding this organization, we can better appreciate the complexity and beauty of the human body, and better understand how it functions to keep us healthy and alive.